Write page 39 in the book, page 39. A. Not B, okay? Only A. Exercise A. Write at least 4 to 5 sentences about one of these. I actually want you to write about all of them. So write number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. 4 to 5 sentences about each. So 20 sentences. Jag vill alltså att ni skriver ungefär 4 till 5 meningar om nummer 1, nummer 2, nummer 3, nummer 4. Totalt cirka 20 meningar på engelska. Jag ska ge lite exempel. Number 1, sports I like. I like walking. I like to walk in the nature when it's sunny. I love walking in the summer, in autumn, in winter, in spring. I like to walk all year round because I can walk alone and think, because I can walk with a friend and talk, and I can look at the trees and the birds. Number 2, sports I like to watch on TV. I don't like very much to watch sports on TV. I think sports are boring, but sometimes I watch the Olympics. I like to watch running when they run 100 meters, 200 meters, or when they run a marathon. I also like to watch when they run in Gothenburg every summer, Göteborgsvarvet. Sometimes I have friends who compete in the competition. Number 3, why I think sports are boring. Well, maybe it is because I do not sport myself a lot. I am lazy and I prefer to read books and sleep on my couch. Number 4, sports I played when I was a child. When I was a child, I played football, basketball, and I ran a lot. I was quick. I was fast. I loved to play basketball because I was good at it. I was good at it. I made many goals with the ball. I did not like football that much. I don't know why. Now you write about number 1, 2, 3, and 4 and send to me on It's Learning. Click on Innehåll. Go to Unit 1 to 3. Scroll down and it says page 39. Write about number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click and write and send to me, please, for next Monday.